Hello, my name is Gina. During a series of tutorials, I will lead you through the process of filling in the application form for a standard project in our monitoring system, GEMS. In this particular tutorial, I will show you how to add project partners to your project. Please be aware that these tutorial videos focus on the fields of the application form to be filled in or to be selected. They do not refer to overviews or those fields that are automatically generated by the system. Watching the tutorials does not substitute careful studying of the manuals of the program. Applicants are advised to read the manuals first, and check the tutorials thereafter to get a practical insight to the system and the process of filling in the application form. In the left-hand menu bar, go to Chapter B, Project Partners, and select the Partners Overview menu. After you have entered this chapter, click on the Add New Partner button to open the sheet where you can type in the necessary data of the partner organization. At the top of the Partner Identity section, select the partner role by clicking either the lead partner or the partner. Bear in mind that each submitted project must have one lead partner. Fill in the abbreviated name of the partner. This field has a limit of 15 characters. In the next fields, write the name of the organization in the original language and in English. You can type up to 100 characters in both cases. If the applicant is a particular department, unit or division of the partner organization, provide its name in both German and Hungarian, each with a limitation of 250 characters. If this is not applicable, put a dash into the field in both languages. When you are ready with the basic partner data, you have to provide some legal and financial information about the partner. The type of the partner organization must be selected from a drop-down list. This serves statistical purposes. Select also the legal status of the partner from a drop-down list. This defines whether the financial resources of the partner are considered as private or public. If the partner has own resources in its budget, the legal status of the contribution must be selected accordingly. In the next field, Hungarian applicants must type their tax identification number. All organizations have one. Austrian project partners must either record their UID number, if they have one, or use the next field and enter another unique identification number for the organization. In such cases, please also provide a German and Hungarian description for that specific ID. The standard structure of the tax ID or the other unique ID must be respected. The fields for the other identification number don't need to be filled in if the project partner has a tax ID. After you have successfully filled in all fields, save the basic partner information and open the Address tab. On this page, you have to enter the details about the location of the partner. For the related geographical eligibility rules, please read the application manual or the eligibility manual. In the upper section, record always the geographical and address data for the headquarters of the partner organization. On the top of the page, you have to select the country of the partner's origin from a drop-down list. You can filter the list by starting to type the country name in the original language. When the country is selected, you have to select the NUTS 2-level region from another drop-down list. The same procedure shall be applied in the case of the NUTS 3 level. For Hungarian partners, this is the county level. The next fields, street, house number, postal code, city and homepage, need to be filled in by typing in the relevant information. If on the previous page you have recorded a specific department, unit or division as the applicant, this procedure shall be repeated on the bottom part of the page to record its address if that is different than the address of the headquarters. Don't forget to save the information added to the Address tab. Following that, you have to move on to the Contact tab. In the upper part, information about the partner's legal representative, title, first name and last name, need to be filled in. In the lower part of the page, information about the partner's contact person needs to be filled in. Besides the title, first name and last name, provide here also a valid email address and a phone number. When all contact information is entered and saved, the Motivation tab comes next. On this tab, 3 text fields must be filled. For the German and Hungarian language versions equally, a 3,000 characters limit must be taken into account. In the first field, describe the relevant thematic competences and experiences of the project partner organization. The main business of the organization needs to be described shortly, as well as whether it normally performs economic activities offering goods or services on a given market. In the second field, the role of the partner organization in the project must be described, with special attention to its contribution and main activities within the project. Finally, in the third field, a description must be provided about the organization's experience in participating in and/or managing EU co-financed projects or other international projects. Do not forget to save your work. Repeat this process until all project partners are added to your project. Add at least one Austrian and one Hungarian partner, and mark one of them as the lead partner. 3 further tabs can be still found here in the Partner section, including information about the partner's budget, the source of its financing, and finally a self-check of state aid criteria. These tabs will be the topic of another part of this tutorial series.